Some TPT sellers are constantly fixing things, tweaking, updating, reworking, optimizing. But eventually, trying to improve everything starts weakening focus itself. Hi, I'm Shelley Antone. I've consistently remained in the top 300 TPT sellers. And over time, one of the biggest shifts inside my store was realizing that not every problem deserves equal attention, and not every improvement creates equal leverage. A lot of stores quietly become trapped in optimization loops. There's always another listing to improve, another product to update, another thumbnail to redesign, another system to reorganize. And honestly, that can feel productive. But strategic stores usually operate differently. They identify the biggest constraints and the clearest growth opportunities. Because some changes create massive impact, and others barely move the store forward at all. That distinction matters greatly, especially as a store grows, because eventually attention itself becomes one of the most valuable resources inside the store. I spent years trying to improve everything. And then I realized that constant optimization was creating a huge amount of mental noise because there were too many possible improvements competing for my attention. That forced me to become much more intentional about prioritization, constraints, and strategic focus. Because growth became much clearer once I stopped trying to fix everything simultaneously. Strong TPT stores usually scale through strategic focus, not through constant reaction to every small weakness. Sometimes growth accelerates not because more work was added, but because unnecessary focus was removed. If you want help identifying what is currently limiting your TPT growth, use the free TPT Growth Constraint Finder found below. It will help you pinpoint the constraint in your store so that you can make clear growth decisions. Now, before you go, I'd like to know if you could fix one thing in your TPT store this month, what would it be? Please comment below. And in the next video, I'm going to explain why some TPT sellers constantly feel behind even when they're working all the time. I will see you in the next video.